Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use an Onlyfans app. Let's get started. Onlyfans is a subscription-based platform where creators post exclusive content for their followers or fans. It's like a VIP version of Instagram or TikTok, but with a paywall. In OnlyFans, you'll find everything from fitness, music, and cooking tutorials to adult content. If you want to access through their official app, what you'll need to do is open your browser, then go to onlyfans.com, then tap the three dots on the top right corner and enable desktop site. Then log in using your email and password. Once inside, you'll see home notification, messages, collections, add card for adding a debit or credit card. Take note that PayPal is not supported because it doesn't allow adult content transactions. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.